Hey gang, today we're going to do something different. I'm going to get into some 17-18 select soccer. I do not know anything about soccer. I probably won't even attempt most of these names, but I started really looking for something new and different I could do and open for the channel, and this stood out as kind of the obvious choice, this or hockey. And I definitely may do some hockey, but for now I was able to get this box at a pretty good price, and I still may do get the next year. I guess 18-19 is out. I'm not sure. I think a newer box. Oh wait, maybe I was looking at 17-18 Prism. But anyways, soccer select. I love select, and this has 3 autos or Mempops. Jesus. It never fails. Every video I say something like that. 12 packs per box, 5 cards per pack, and yeah, that's about it. Let's get into it. I don't know. Oof, this is my new knife. It's a little bit on the big side. I'm gonna end up cutting my hand. It's nice and sharp. Anyway, I don't know what the values are like of soccer cards. I assume they're pretty decent now. Interest in the World Cup was really strong this last time around, so I'm guessing these are probably a good investment. I guess. I don't know. Is anybody that watches the videos, anybody that comments, do you do soccer? Do you collect soccer? Is it a good investment? Is it a good idea, bad idea? Is it something I really should start learning? I would like to really get into it for sure. I remember watching some soccer a couple of years ago, but I honestly didn't watch any of this last World Cup. I kept meaning to, and I just was busy and I never got around to it. So alright, let's see what these look like. I don't think I see any really. Oh yeah, I do. I see a couple of pretty thick packs. Maybe we'll get a nice patch of some sort. I'm guessing this is like any other select where there's some nice. Oh yeah, I have some of these. I actually bought a lot of these for my store. There's the first parallel. It looks Gary Cahill. This looks like God, the name of it escapes me. The Prism, the little small box basketball Mosaic. It reminds me of Mosaic. Yeah, these look pretty good. What you would expect from Select. Nice chrome. Let's see if they're like. They don't seem to be like football with like different levels. Not that I see on here. Looks like we've got something here. Vincent Company from Belgium, Sparks jersey. Kind of nice little dirty patch there. Just says player worn material. So there's the first hit. Here's a good looking parallel. I think it's a tricolor. Mateo somebody from Croatia. Alright, so we've got one hit already. Looks like we're getting, oh okay, here's a Prism Silver, Gelson Fernandez. I definitely wanted to have all sports on my online store. I'm going to add some racing there too. That's another thing I could do and open for the channel, some racing. Hal Robson Canoe. not numbered. This one feels thicker. Yep, got something here. There's a Ronaldo. This is a Douglas Kosta autograph patch gold, numbered out of 10, 8 of 10, from Brazil. I don't know if this player is good, but I know Brazil is a hotbed place for soccer, so this may be a good card. Definitely a good looking card. Here's a tricolor Bartosz Kapustka from Poland. And David Lutz. That one feels, these all feel kind of thick. I don't know if they have fillers. They can't all be hits. Although it'd be nice if they were. Looks like we've got a die cut coming up. Oscar Duarte. 3 out of 25. Costa Rica. Nice looking. Oh, a zebra parallel. In some products the zebra is only in the first off the line product, but in this one it's in the regular box. Alright. Boy, there's a nice variety of parallels here. This is Messi. Oh, okay, I know this guy. Again, not numbered, but a good looking prism. Some kind of wave. Top of the class. And Tim Cahill, silver. Yeah, I'm definitely digging the variety of parallels. It seems like there's more varieties in this than there was in basketball and football. There's Messi again, and another die cut, Michael McGlinchey from New Zealand, a blue die cut numbered out of 249. Just another sweet looking card there. Clint Dempsey. There's Ronaldo. Diego Kosta. It says something. I can't read that. Expressions? I can't read that. EQ. Oh, wait, it might say equalizers. I think it says equalizers. I remember some of these from that lot I bought. So Diego Kosta from Spain and Memphis Depay from the Netherlands. Tricolor. Three more packs and should have one more hit. And looks like here it comes, and it is a double team. David Alba and I can't read this name. Joshua Kimmich. Player worn materials again. Double team. Another autograph would have been nice, but nope, 2 game used. Another parallel, Oliver Giroud maybe. Aaron Hughes. Got a filler here, Michael McGovern from Ireland. Teofilo Gutierrez, crimson or red, I'm not sure which, 199. I think this looks a lighter color. I think it's just red, or maybe they call it ruby, I'm not sure. And our last pack of soccer. Looks like we have a blue in here. Yep. Joe Ledley from Wales. This is numbered out of 299. Alright, so this is the stack of base cards, and then we ended up with a kind of a short print. Well, definitely short. No, this is not. This is out of 249. This was the zebra, was the short print out of 25. And then the hits were the dual jersey, the single jersey, Vincent Company or whatever. And then this was the best hit, the Douglas Kosta gold autograph patch. This was the stack of parallels. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not bad. I mean, this box was definitely pretty affordable. Again, I wish I'd gotten 2 autographs and 1 mem card, but it is what it is. So anyways, let me know, do you like soccer? Do you want me to open more soccer? Is that a good idea, bad idea? I don't know. Y'all guys, give me your feedback below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care and have a great night.